What's happening, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good week. The week has went by fast and we are rolling along. So we're fixing to get into some major trouble right here. So take a look at me. I got my gloves, I got my box cutter, and I've got a new shelf to go up. Why? Because we have bought way too much stuff. What happens when you buy a lot? You don't have anywhere to put it. So what are we fixing to do? Take a look at this. Consider it a mess. Consider it whatever you like. But what we're fixing to do is make some room for all these totes and all of our staging that's in the house. So hang on while I spin you back around here. We will keep you posted on the progress we're making. Hopefully now that it's cooled off, it's not quite as humid. We're gonna sweat though, I promise you. We'll show you what it looks like afterwards and how much room we're gonna save. Okay, everybody, final products. Let me tell you something. It is hot, if you can see the top of that bald head. I said that it was cooled off. Well, it had, but it is hot. Now, let me show you what we got here, and we'll give you an update here at over the next couple days as we load these things up. But let me spin her around for you. How about that? So all these totes came from a yard sale that we had the other day. We just had, I bet we had 10 to start with. We're down to 3. That'll be good for another yard sale. We started doing some eBay storage out here. Obviously books, lots of books, anything that can survive this heat. And then in the winter, the cold. But we're eventually gonna get all this junk out of the way, get it up here on these shelves. Then we're gonna do some rearranging in the house and bring some storage out here as well. We got a pretty good count on how many of these totes we can get on the rack, so that's gonna save us quite a bit of storage. So we'll keep you posted on how things are going. I am going to cool off and have a beer. Hey, good morning, everybody. Just wanted to check back in with you, show you a little progress we made last night. Got a little echo going on in the garage this morning, but I got the door shut so it don't get hot this fast. Check this out. So most of these are 27-gallon totes, so it holds a lot. Got 7 totes, 5 of which are 27-gallon. The little small ones up top are 17. Got a long ways to go, but I'm gonna take you in the office and show you what that has already meant to us. All right, stay tuned. All right, made it back to the office. Got some wall hangings up since the last time you saw me. Making some progress here. Got a few boxes, got a green screen I'm putting up. Brad, Marcy, check that out. The blind is replaced. Check this out. We showed you the chaos we had in this room last time. Look what those few totes did for us. Now I've got room, so this is a stack of all to be listed. do have one big tote in here, and it's got all postcards in it. So we got some smalls in here, really, and got a bunch of records for sure. But check this out. Now we're starting to stage all that Department 56 stuff as it gets listed in here. Climate controlled, getting her done. Got a few more boxes to get toted up and figure out what to do with, but we're making headway. Hey folks, man, when I tell you it's hot, it is hot. No air moving in this garage. I don't want to open the door because it's so humid outside. It just makes it hotter. But check out this progress. Look, no more totes in the floor. We got a few, but we're fixing to rearrange that. But check this out. Totes, totes, and totes. We decided up on top to put our stuff, so that's probably a work in progress. Yeah, leftover yard sale stuff. But look at all the storage we're getting. We're getting somewhere now. Peace of mind. This whole middle row full of our stuff's coming out. We'll rearrange. I'll have this whole bottom rack down here for totes. This old bottom rack over here will be totes. This top rack will be totes. And guess what, folks? All of this right here is ready to be listed. Got my sidekick out here. He's chilling on a bone. He'll be good for a few. Watch this. Say hey, Rit. Say hey, everybody. Say hey, everybody. That boy loves some bones. Alright, so here's where we're at. I got a bunch of listed stuff on this shelf. Got room for some more. This shelf is all to be listed and labeled accordingly. We got a few auction finds there on some blankets and stuff. But top row, basically our personal stuff. But then all this is to be listed. So we've got a lot of work to do. Nice, neat, organized. Down here on the end is where we had our yard sale. We've got another yard sale stack starting. Obviously got a few more things to tidy up, but just wanted to let everybody see the kind of the final product. It'll be a work in progress. I got some boxes to cut up and totes to get rid of, all that good stuff. We take them to auctions and all kinds of stuff. But of course, then we got our shipping boxes over here, so at least it's a little neater now, and we can get two things, and the rooms are cleaned out in the house. So now we can work on that big Christmas haul we did. We'll give you a wrap up. I think this is about it. Just wanted to show you our redesign, and since I don't have a company car anymore, we've got room. We don't back the truck in here. We keep it under a shelter, and we thought it'd be a good idea to do some inventory out here. So just wanted everybody to see it. We'll keep you posted on progress moving forward. Take care, everybody.